Chapter 1 Super Senses. Let's begin. Sense organs are the windows from our body to the outside world. They connect us to the outer world. There are 5 sense organs: nose, ears, skin, tongue, and eyes. It has been noticed that in animals, sense organs are sharper than humans. Their extreme senses help them to find their food, communicate with each other, and protect them from their enemies. Let's read how. Sense of smell. Most animals that are mammals have a much keener sense of smell than humans. Like sharks, combine their keen sense of smell with timing to determine the direction of smell. They follow the nostrils that first detect the smell and thus find their food. Similarly, dogs have also highly developed sense of smell, and thus they are trained to sniff drugs and explosives. Sense of hearing. Many animals use sound in order to communicate with one another, and hearing in these species is particularly important for their survival. Certain animals, including bats and cetaceans, whale, dolphin, and porpoise, have the ability to determine orientation to other objects through interpretation of reflected sound. Deer and other grazing animals' sense of hearing provide them warning of approaching predators. Fox and other hunting animals have well-developed sense of hearing that help them to locate their prey. You must know, crocodiles can hear their young ones inside their eggs with their excellent sense of hearing. Sense of touch. Cat's whiskers and the stiffer hair along its body are great at feeling around. Even it can sense a change in air currents too fast. Similarly, cockroaches and many other insects have hair on their bodies that help them to feel out their surroundings with their hair. And this sense of touch is called tactile sense. Sense of taste. The sense of taste allows animals to detect and identify dissolved chemicals. In reptiles, birds, and mammals, the taste receptors are found mainly on the upper surface of the tongue. They consist of pits containing sensory cells arranged like the segments of an orange fruit. Each receptor cell has a tiny hair that projects into the saliva to sense the chemicals dissolved in it. Taste mainly depends on the sense of smell. Food is quite tasteless when the nose is blocked, and cats often refuse to eat when this happens. But it is opposite in birds. They are able to make food choices based on how food feels rather than how it tastes or smells. Sense of vision. The sense of vision or sight in many animals is also superior. A cat's vision is exceptionally well adapted for hunting. It has excellent night vision. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than humans. In birds, sense of sight is important for their survival. Predatory birds such as eagle, owl, hawk have keen eyesight. They can see 4 times as far as humans can. Communication in animals. Like animals, animals also communicate with each other. Some animals create a unique sound to communicate with others, such as a dog barks, a wolf howls, a bird chirps, etc. Insects like ants, bees, termites, etc. release special chemicals to communicate. Some animals, like dogs, also communicate through symbols, like when a dog is happy, it wags its tail. Must try. Do you know animals also sleep to take rest? Your work is to find out the pattern of sleep of given animals. Tiger, bat, sheep, koala, horse.